present simple tense. The structure is quite simple. You should start with subject plus V1 plus object. V1 means first form of the verb. This structure is for the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences mean positive sentences. In other words, positive sentences. If you'd like to make negative sentences, the structure subject plus do or does, and then there should be not with these two, does not and do not, and then object. Do we use with I, we, you, and all plural. Does, on the other hand, is used for he, she, and. If you want to make interrogative sentences, then we have to bring do or does in the beginning of the sentences, followed by subject, then V1, and then in the end we have to use object. I hope it's clear to all of you. You can make sentences by following this structure, which is quite simple and easy to understand. As far as the use of the present simple tense is concerned, so we use it for regular work or routine work, habits, right? Habits, regular routine work, and universal facts. Universal facts. So in these three circumstances we have to use the present simple tense. I hope it's clear to all of you.